DJI Osmo Action 6 new leaks are confirmed coming in early 2025. Action cameras have changed the way we capture extreme moments. From mountain biking to deep-sea diving, they let us record every detail with stunning quality. GoPro has led this space for years, but DJI is proving to be a serious competitor. Their Osmo Action series has impressed users with its compact design, powerful features, and top-tier stabilization. Now, fresh leaks suggest DJI is preparing to launch the Osmo Action 6, and it could be arriving sooner than expected. Reports hint at an early 2025 release, bringing significant upgrades that could shake up the action camera market. Let's dive into everything we know so far. DJI's growing influence in the action camera market is best known for its drones, but its impact goes beyond aerial photography. When they introduced the original Osmo Action, it caught everyone's attention. The front-facing screen was a game-changer for vloggers and action enthusiasts. The compact design and excellent performance made it a strong GoPro alternative. Since then, DJI has refined its action cameras. The Osmo Action 5 earned praise for its durability, stabilization, and image quality. Now, with rumors of the Osmo Action 6, fans are eager to see how DJI will push the limits once again. Leaks suggest an early 2025 release. Regulatory filings often reveal product details before official announcements. Documents submitted to the FCC in the US and SGS in Switzerland suggest the Osmo Action 6 is on its way. These filings confirm that DJI is gearing up for launch, likely in early 2025. One exciting detail from the leaks is that DJI might release multiple versions of the Osmo Action 6. This could mean a standard model for everyday users and a pro variant with enhanced features for serious content creators. If true, this strategy would make DJI's lineup more competitive and appealing to a wider audience. Expected features and upgrades. Although full specs remain unknown, leaks give us a glimpse of what to expect. Connectivity is a major focus, with reports mentioning Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi to 0.4 GHz and 5 GHz. These upgrades will allow for faster, more reliable file transfers, making it easier to sync footage with other devices. Another key leak points to two battery options, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. The larger battery would likely offer extended recording time, perfect for professionals who need long-lasting performance. The smaller version could be a budget-friendly option for casual users. How it compares to GoPro has dominated the action camera space for years, setting the standard for high-quality video, rugged design, and advanced features. However, DJI has proven that it can compete at the highest level. For the Osmo Action 6 to stand out, it needs to push the limits of video quality. If it supports resolutions beyond 4K, possibly even 6K, it could attract filmmakers and content creators who need ultra-sharp footage. Improved low-light performance would also be a major win, allowing users to capture clear shots in dark or indoor environments. Processing power will be another key factor. A faster image processor would mean smoother footage and better real-time enhancements. DJI has a reputation for innovation, so the Osmo Action 6 could introduce groundbreaking features that put pressure on GoPro to keep up. What else could DJI bring to the table? One of the most exciting possibilities is new AI-driven shooting modes. DJI has a history of integrating smart features into its cameras. The Osmo Action 6 could introduce automatic stabilization, color correction, and other enhancements that adjust in real time based on the environment. Another area where DJI could improve is durability. Action cameras are often used in extreme conditions, so better waterproofing and impact resistance would make the Osmo Action 6 even more reliable for adventure seekers. Final thoughts: DJI Osmo Action 6 has the potential to shake up the action camera market in 2025. With a rumored early release, excitement is already building. DJI has shown that it isn't afraid to challenge the industry's biggest names, and this next-gen camera could be their most advanced yet. Whether you're a filmmaker, vlogger, or adventure enthusiast, the Osmo Action 6 promises to bring new features and performance upgrades worth waiting for. Stay tuned for more updates as DJI prepares to make its next big move in the action camera world.